Lenovo Thinkpad. How to replace keyboard easily? First of all, you open this side, unplug this charger, and go to your mini screwdriver. And here you look at this side. You can push upper. So you don't push up this button, never push up this button, and you down here you upper side, force upper side. And here is screw, one screw, remove this screw, and we show other screw here. Look at this, and we go here and one screw, and we go here, two screw. And here one screw, just push up side, upper side, and take it in. So okay, only 5 screw open, and we lock. Wow, open this side easily, take easily. Here 1 2 3 4 5 screw, 6 screw, 1 2 3 4 5 6, only 6 screw this model. Okay, thank you for watching this video.